So Neville and I are gonna play Guess That Cheese. If you never played Guess That Cheese, I'm about to tell you what it is right now. That's not a good spot. Guess That Cheese is a game that obviously I invented because I'm me. But what I do is I make a sandwich and I put a cheese on it that you don't know what it is, and then you have to guess to see if you really know your cheese. But with the sandwich for Neville, I am going to put a little bit of every cheese.
I don't know why.
I'm gonna put a little bit of 3 cheeses. It can be pepper jack, mozzarella, or American. And he's gonna have to decide. And he's gonna have to decide which cheese is which cheese. That's not a good description. Which cheese is which cheese? So, which cheese is Swiss cheese?
Swiss beats.
But which cheese is which cheese? So I'm making the sandwich now, and then these are the sliders that I made. Badoom, badang, bading. He has to guess which one's which, and I genuinely believe he ain't gonna be able to tell which one it is. So here's the little sliders I made. We just put meat on them. Meat and bread and cheese because I don't want to give Neville a reason to say that he didn't know why. What? Ready? Uh-oh.
Okay. Where do I start?
You can start wherever. I know which is which.
Mozzarella.
So you think the first one's mozzarella?
Wait, what are our options? Mozzarella, pepper jack, and American? Okay, hold that thought.
I think that one I made kind of weird.
Pepper jack? American.
So what's your final? What's the final?
Mozzarella, pepper jack, American.
You just think you know it all. You got it right. I wanted you to be wrong. I thought you were going to switch your mozzarella.
What did I say earlier? I said, of course I'm going to get them right.
The official cheese guru right here, Neville.